Hello, today let's talk about a nice device. Yeah, let's make a review video about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Today we are talking a detailed look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. We will cover the design, the display, the performance, the health tracking, the battery life, the wear operation system features, the Galaxy AI, and whether the smartwatch is actually worth your money in 2026. So grab a drink, a sit back, and let's get started with that party. Design and build quality is the king. Because the Galaxy Watch 8 combines Samsung's premium smartwatch design philosophy. Of course, there is an Ultra on the market, which is much delightful, I think. But the Galaxy Watch 8 is good. Yeah, we have a lightweight aluminum construction, a sapphire crystal display protection, a comfortable silicon sport band, an IP68 water resistant. Of course, you can change the band as you like it. 5 water resistance and MIL STD durability certification. Samsung has refined the overall shape, making the watch more comfortable for the all-day wear while maintaining its premium appearance. Whether you are at the office, at the gym, or going to a diner, the Watch 8 fits almost every occasion. The quick release bands also makes customization incredibly easy as well. And the display, one of the biggest highlight is there. Samsung once again used the outstanding AMOLED panel with the vibrant colors, deep blacks, excellent contrast, smooth animations, and a high brightness for outdoor visibility. Even under direct sunlight, everything remains easy to read. The always-on display looks fantastic, while consuming relative little battery. Touch responsively is excellent, making it navigation feel fast and fluid. Okay, the performance. Inside, it equips the Galaxy Watch 8 with its latest processor. Faster app launches, smooth multitasking, improved animations, quicker health measurement, better power efficiency. Apps opens almost immediately and instantly. And scrolling is nice. Combination with the Wear operation system, Samsung One UI watch interfaces, everything feels polished and intuitive as well. And health and fitness tracking is really nice because Samsung continues to design. The Galaxy Watch 8 includes impressive collection of health features like heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, ECG, body composition analytics, skin temperature, sleep tracking, sleep coaching, stress monitoring, energy score, women's health tracking, fall detection, and emergency SOS. Sleep tracking has become even smarter as well. Sleep duration, sleep stage, oxygen level, skin temperature, snorking detection, overall sleep quality. And fitness tracking is equally impressive too. The Watch 8 automatically detects if you work out walking, running, cycling, rowing, swimming, and elliptical training. For runners, Samsung includes an advanced coaching features with personalized performance insights. The built-in GPS is accurate and looks onto our location quickly. Let's go to the Galaxy AI features. Smarter wellness recommendations, personalized fitness analytics and insights, improved sleep analytics, adaptive health suggestions, better daily summaries, all the AI features. Instead of simply displaying the numbers, the watch provides meaningful information you can actually use to improve your health. And we have more smart features. Google Maps, Google Wallet, Google Assistant, Gemini support, Samsung Wallet, Play Store, Spotify, WhatsApp, Gmail, Calendar, Smart Home controls, notifications works flawlessly, so we can answer calls directly on the Galaxy smartphone. If you're using Galaxy smartphone, of course, you can use this, and integrations becomes even better with additional ecosystem features. And of course, you can control your music direct on the smartwatch, reply to messages, check the weather updates, and so on. Navigation too, without pulling out your phone. Let's go to battery life. With a moderate everyday use, the most user can accept around 2 days with standard settings. Heavy GPS workout and always on display naturally reduce the battery life. Charging is fast and convenient using Samsung magnetic wireless charging as well. So you can use it 1 day, no problem. 2 days, okay. So, Pro. Beautiful AMOLED display, premium build quality, excellent health tracking, accurate GPS, fast performance, smooth wear operation system experience, great Samsung ecosystem integration, and comfortable for all-day wear. Cons: some advanced health features depend on regional availability. But this is all the smartwatches out there have this prop. Battery life is good, but still shorter than some dedicated fitness watches on the market. 13 Galaxy exclusive features works best with Samsung smartphones, not with other ones. So, should you buy the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8? If you're looking for one of the best Android smartwatches available in 2026, the answer is absolutely yes. Samsung has improved nearly every aspect of the experience: premium hardware, excellent health tracking, an outstanding display, reliable fitness features, fast performance, a lot of AI-powered insights, and one of the best smartwatches software experience available today. For Samsung Galaxy phone owners, it's easily one of the strongest smartwatch options on the market. If you enjoyed this review, of course, don't forget to give me a thumb up. Please subscribe my channel, give me a poll of feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel too. Sun sun.